Introducing the 2022 Hyundai Tucson ix35 Plus DCT Mild Hybrid, the perfect blend of style, comfort and safety. This stunning vehicle is equipped with all the features you need for a smooth and enjoyable ride. From heated seats and satellite navigation to parking assistance and collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. The chrome package, privacy glass and roof rails add a touch of sophistication to its exterior. Best of all, this Hyundai comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit hyundaigalway.ie for more information. Drive home in your dream car today.